And welcome. So today we're going to be adding fractions, okay? So we need to get to the same denominator. So 3 times 2 is 6. We're going to be adding fractions with a denominator of 6. So this one will be multiplied by 2, this one will be multiplied by 3. Use the 3 from here, the 2 from here. And we got the 6 by doing 3 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, so we can check it back. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. Now 2 6 and 3 6, you have got 5 6. The question is in 6 now. Right, some harder numbers, we might have to deal with a mixed number at the end. The denominator is 28. Think about where it came from. 4 times 7. Okay, so we're going to multiply this whole fraction by 4 and write it here. We're going to multiply this whole fraction, use the 7 there, by 7, and we write this one here. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. That's good. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. Now we've got 20 add 21, 41 out of 28. Now sometimes they'll want you to give that as a mixed number. This is more than a whole pizza. A whole pizza split into 28s. 1 is 28 out of 28. That's a whole pizza. We haven't got enough for 2 pizzas because that would be 56. So if we do 41 take 28, there are 13 odd bits of pizza. So you've got 28, add 13 little bits here, imagine 13 of those. 28. This means 1 whole pizza and 13 out of 28. Now, if you do question 1, if that's going to be a challenge for you. If you're a grade 5 student and you want to do some harder work, you can do question 2 and 3. You're going to work with some mixed numbers. Okay, so there are different ways of doing this. The way we're going to do it is we're going to add the 2 parts separately. So we're going to go 2 add 3 is 5. Then we're going to go 2/3 add 2/5. Now we need a new denominator, which is now going to make it exactly the same as those questions. Our denominator is going to be 15. This one's times 5. This one's times 3. So 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. That's 16 out of 15. We've now got 5 add 16 out of 15. We've added the number parts and then we've added the fraction parts of those numbers. So 5 and 16 over 15. Now the problem is you can't leave that improper fraction there. A whole pizza is 15 out of 15. And then you've also got 1/15 here. So this will be 6 and 1/15 because you're going to add that whole one on, and that would be my final answer. Okay, try not to use a calculator. Check them as you go using your calculator, or you can use the answers at the bottom of the sheet. Good luck.